Scooter Bros, and today we're gonna go down the half pipe. It's not dry. Well, basically it's dry, but it's good enough to go down.
He's a fucking monkey.
Woo! Down we go.
Okay, guys, I want to stop.
One more time.
No, fam. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop, go up, jump up, keep going, then drop.
180. No, do 50. Do 50. I mean 90 degree arch. I'll try 180. No, 90.
Okay, I'll 180 out.
Yo, babe.
Joshua Washington man screwed me up. I want to do that so bad. I will. I did it yesterday. I did it yesterday.
Okay. Here's some tips on how to go down. Put your foot here. Put your scooter like a quarter out. Put your foot down. Lift up. And go down. Woo!
I have a big round of applause for Josh.
He's amazing. Yeah, I'm the best.